Damien has been working with me,
Hi,
and he's
everyone.
actually followed the webinar funnel. So could you just explain a little bit about the webinar funnel, what we've been working towards, what you're doing? Tell them about your webinar and what you're doing at the moment, if you don't mind sharing.
Yeah, no worries. I've got a business which is around anxiety. So I've started running webinars, I think April, and everything's changed for me, really. So it started like, yeah, I've been in this coaching business for about 10 years, but running webinars was where it all changed. I got, I think, 90 on one back in April, and then I got 294 in May. I did one about a month ago and got 90 something as well. So, and yeah, now I've been able to do it full time. So do this business full time, where I've been part-time for 10 years. So yeah, everything's turned around for me. It's awesome.
Yeah, and we'll just clarify, there was no Facebook advertising involved in any of that.
Yeah, I've only done probably 20% of what you recommend, to be honest. Like I just haven't got to everything yet. It's just, there's a bit of work in all those funnels and everything, so I haven't perfected those. I'm still getting there, which must frustrate you, but it's working. And just from, you know, from one of those webinars, I picked up a podcast interview. Then from the podcast interview, I picked up a corporate client, which is, I hadn't even thought of doing corporate clients. So that's changed everything for me. It's just, the money's so much better, and everything's just going great. So
yeah, that's awesome. And you've been able to sell people into your one-on-one program. I know Damien said it's actually been a bit of a bummer because everybody bought the one-on-one offer and not so much the group offer. So he's starting to run out of time. So he's not going to be able to offer the one-on-one anymore. And, you know, part of that social media funnel and putting together the webinar and then nurturing people in email sequences is a whole process. So thank you so much, Damien, for sharing. And I did throw him in the deep end. That's the truth. I just used him while he's here. Thanks so much, Damien.
thanks, Chantal.
So fortune favors the bold. A lot of people